Hello everyone, spend just a few minutes to learn how to make this cappuccino rose. The whole piece is crocheted in one piece. It's very simple. Even beginners can complete it independently. The chart is shown at the end. We are using Zufire Mengwa No. 2 yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook. Pull out the yarn and start with a foundation chain. The turning chain does not count as a stitch. We will chain 64 stitches. After chaining, go back to the 4th chain from the hook. Work an increase of double crochet, DC increase. Skip 1 stitch, in the next stitch work a DC increase. The pattern for this row is DC increases. Skip 1 stitch, then work a DC increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way to the end. After finishing, chain 2. Turn your work and yarn over. Do not work into the first stitch. Skip it and work into the next stitch. Work 1 set of DC increase. Skip 1 stitch, go into the next stitch. Continue working DC increases. This row follows the same pattern as the previous row. Always skip 1 stitch. Work a DC increase in the next stitch. Repeat until the end. After finishing, chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over twice. Work 1 treble crochet (TR) into the first stitch. Now we are making the small inner petals. We will make 1 small petal. Yarn over twice. Work stitch for stitch. Make 3 treble crochets (TR). This is the first one. The second one. A treble crochet means yarn over twice. The third one. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the same stitch. This completes 1 small inner petal. We make 1 small inner petal here. Next, we start making the small petals. Slip stitch into the next stitch. From here, we will repeat the pattern. We will crochet 4 small petals. Yarn over twice. In the same stitch, work 1 treble crochet (TR). Yarn over twice. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. In the next stitch, work another treble crochet. Next, we will make a front post treble crochet, FPTR. Yarn over twice as usual. Insert the hook not into the stitch, but around the post of the treble crochet from the previous row. Insert the hook from the back. Take a look at the insertion point. Pass the hook through. Pull the yarn through. This completes 1 front post treble crochet. Yarn over twice. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the same stitch. This completes 1 small petal. We need to make 4 small petals. Let me demonstrate again. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3, treble crochet. Next stitch, treble crochet. Next stitch, treble crochet and front post treble crochet. This makes 1 front post treble crochet. It gives the petal more dimension. The 2 treble crochets overlap slightly. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Now 2 petals are finished. Finish the remaining 2 petals on your own. After completing all 4 petals, we will have a total of 5 petals so far. Now we start making the medium petals. We will also make 4 medium petals. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3. Work 1 treble crochet. In the next stitch, make a treble crochet increase. 2 TR in the same stitch. That means working 2 treble crochets into this stitch. 2 treble crochets in the same stitch. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet, then 1 front post treble crochet. Okay, in the next stitch, work a treble crochet increase. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 3 and slip stitch. This completes 1 medium petal. Repeat to make 4 medium petals. The medium petals are finished. We now have a total of 9 petals. Next, we start making the large petals. We will make 3 large petals. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3. Yarn over and work 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make a treble crochet increase. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet and 1 front post treble crochet. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Next stitch, make a treble crochet increase. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 3 and slip stitch. This completes 1 large petal. Repeat to make 3 large petals. Finish with a slip stitch. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Now crochet the calyx. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Does not count as a stitch. Round 1. Work 12 double crochets DC into the ring. Pull tight to close the ring. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Chain 6. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet, SC. Half double crochet, HDC. Work 1 stitch in each stitch. Then work 2 double crochets, DC. This completes 1 sepal. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch. Repeat this pattern to make 6 sepals. Complete the remaining 5 sepals on your own. Slip stitch into the starting slip stitch position. Fasten off. Trim the yarn tail, glue it directly onto the petals. Do the same for the calyx. Start rolling from the small petals. Apply a small amount of glue and roll it up. When rolling, make sure the petals are staggered. Apply a little glue each time and roll section by section. Always keep the petals offset when rolling. Align this seam with the center of the next petal. After rolling, attach the calyx. Now your flower is finished. Feel free to share your finished work.